This video shows you what to expect during your first service event with RapidLink Repairs. First, navigate to my rlr.com. Select Request Service to navigate to your service request page. Select the Request Service button to create a new request. Here, you'll enter the driver's information or select Dropped without driver. Enter the location of the equipment and anything we should know about the location. You can also select Use My Location on the map to automatically capture your location. Next, enter your equipment information. Select the equipment type, then enter the equipment numbers. Next, enter all issues you're requesting service for. Then select Submit. You'll then receive confirmation of your request and be brought to the service event page. During your service event, you'll receive live ETA updates and be able to view the progress of your requests. Here, you can also chat with your road service coordinator. Once your event is completed, the invoice will be available and payment can be made online. Thank you for choosing RapidLink Repairs.